Hi everyone, welcome to my Income Maze YouTube channel. Today I'm providing new free wallet airdrop in this site, and this is the Russian language. It will showing. Click on translate button in Google Chrome or any other browser, and translate language to Russian to English. After then click on right side three columns here and click on it, and you can see above this option login registration button. Click on it and give your details. Give your details. Present this site is a little bit slow here due to heavy traffic, so be patient and complete your registration. Enter your name. Present enter your name and surname and enter your email and password and enter my invite code is must. After then click on registration. One confirmation link go to your email. Click on confirmation link and I will give other after completion of registration here and follow all complete all social media tasks and download their wallet. This is the wallet and password, enter password. After then save phrase, save in Word document or email and copy the phrase and save in your email and verify your spaces and create wallet. After then you can change, it will show multi-chain wallet and you can change, click on multi-chain wallet and you can change your username, enter your username here. And this is the wallet airdrop. You can see Node wallet airdrop, totally 100 NCN tokens you will get. It is worth of 36 USD. Here totally join the Telegram channel and group and Twitter and follow Medium and download app and leave a review on Google Play Store and take a screenshot of your review and format this format. I will give total these details in description and format submit details is email, your email name, Telegram ID, Twitter ID and Medium ID and send with screenshot app to their detail support at the rate of noda.wallet.com. So distribution after 2 months from now. So little bit slow, heavy traffic. So be patient and complete registration format registration process. And this is the Noda wallet airdrop. You will get 36 USD worth of tokens free. Don't miss any exchange and wallet airdrops. These are legit. Airdrop Telegram airdrop boards are 50% scam and 50% are legit. But wallet and exchange airdrop, there is no scam sites. Don't miss any wallet airdrop and exchange airdrop. This is also second airdrop, SQ wallet airdrop. This wallet, two airdrops available here. Giant two airdrops. This is the first airdrop, 1000 USD worth of tokens. Reward 200 SCW tokens for free each person. And I will give answers also in description. And enter my email address incomist@gmail.com and same wallet and second airdrop also I have given here and fill the form and enter you invited you income fog and this is the second airdrop. This is the third airdrop, Latacan exchange airdrop and totally 5 airdrops in exchange. First to join in exchange and enter my invite code, simple KYC required and you can see first airdrop 100 USD worth of YFST tokens and I have given quiz answers also here and the second airdrop is 15 USD worth of EMDC tokens for free and the third airdrop is 320 USD worth of FNX tokens for free and the fourth airdrop is 20 USD of Simba tokens and fifth airdrop 200 USD worth of EOC tokens. So You must join first node of wallet airdrop, and the second is two airdrops of SC wallet airdrop and five airdrops of Latoken Exchange. I will give all sites link in description. I will give other airdrops links also in description. This is also first Bitcoin 300 participants, and follow complete all social media discussion. Fill the form, and I will give all either other airdrops links also in description. Please join all the airdrops. Don't miss any airdrop, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, like my video, and watch my previous videos also. Thank you for watching. Thank you.